Today, let's try to build this random color graphics in Photoshop with very easy steps. First, you can select the brush tool from the toolbar, then go to the option bar of the brush tool, and find this soft round pressure brush. You can click square brackets to change the brush size a little bit. Now you may be able to get something like this. Next step, you should first find this brush settings, and then choose color dynamics. You can set hue jitter and purity to 100%, and saturation jitter and brightness jitter to 0%. Now, when you brush around, you can only get this black and white color at the moment. To get a random colorful graphics, you need to go to the toolbar again, set the foreground color and background color to red and blue. Now when you brush, you will be able to get these random colorful graphics. There are two methods you can have a try after. Go to the top menu and find Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur, and give it a radius around 70 pixels. After that, go to Image, Adjustments, and click Posterize. You can set the levels to around 4 to get this effect. And if you think all these colorful graphics are a little bit too much, you can always find Filter Gallery in the top menu and try Glowing Edges filter in the Stylize. Play around with the edge width, edge brightness, and smoothness. You can easily get this random color lines effect. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'll keep creating.